Hello and welcome to Summer Science Lab SSM. In today's video, we shall take a look at the TV board that has lost its audio output. The picture works fine, the controls are functional, but the TV produces no sound. Since we don't have an oscilloscope or an audio probe, we'll make one ourselves, a simple one using just a few components. Here's what you need: a ceramic capacitor and a small phone speaker. One end of the capacitor to the red cable of the speaker, the other end will be used to probe. The black cable of the speaker goes to the ground. Alright, now that we've built our DIY audio probe, it's time to locate and test the sound IC on this board. Since this is a Chinese LED TV, the exact model number might vary, but most audio ICs follow a similar pin-out pattern. The audio IC in Chinese LED TVs is usually something like this. It may be found near the speaker output or audio input connector. Now with our TV power on, we use our probe, connecting the black wire to the chassis and using the red wire to probe. The black cable has been connected to the chassis. Here is the red cable. I even had to remove the ceramic capacitor to get a good audible sound. If we get a sound at the input pins, then no sound at the output, then it means the amplifier, the sound circuit is faulty. Means the IC is faulty. If we get a sound at the output, it means the sound circuit in the IC, the amplifier, is working. Here comes our sound. We have a sound at the output, which means the amplifier is working. Also, by plugging my earphones into the audio jack, I got a sound that comes out clean. That is a good sign. We shall then tap audio from the audio jack and send to an external amplifier module. Right here is an external amplifier module I just got from my shop. I used to buy these things and keep in the shop. Here is one. It carries a TDA 79 amplifier module amplifier. So we are going to use it to power on our sound system. So it has 4 inputs. It has the VCC, which takes 12 volts. So plus minus. The 2 cables will go there. Red cable to the plus, black cable to the minus. We tap this 12 volt from our motherboard. That's a 12 volt connector on the motherboard where you tap your 12 volt. Can connect it below the motherboard securely to power our amplifier module. Here comes the input channels. How do we bring in the input channels, the audio input? From the audio jack, of course. The audio jack has 6 pins. So we are going to take audio from the audio jack. The first 2 pins of the audio jack are the ground. We will not connect anything here. We'll simply take 2 audio channels, one from the left, one from the right, and go to our external amplifier. Here's the right channel with 2 pins and the audio channel with 2 pins. So we take 1 pin from each channel. Can take 1 from the right and 1 from the left. These 2 are going to power our external amplifier module with sound. Yes, sound is power. Here we have the left and the right channels which come in, and we also have our 12 volt. The remaining outputs are for the speakers. I've connected one, and I've also connected a heatsink. Here is a heatsink. This amplifier heats a lot, so it comes without a heatsink. So you must connect a heatsink. If not, the amplifier will heat and burn out. So don't forget the heatsink. Here's our left channel for the speakers. This amplifier module takes 2 channels for the output. I've connected the left channel, which will be used for testing. At the end, I will connect the right channel. So this is just for testing to see if we are on the right track. If we are on the right track, then we'll get some sound soon. It's time for us to connect everything once again so that we can power on our TV, play some sound, and get the results. Connecting the various parts. Time to power it on. I'll plug in my TV on the distributor. Connect my external hard drive wherein I have some sound, have some audio music to play. Powering on my TV. Looking for the folder where I stored some audio. On that beats, go to Beyonce. Yes, and I play some audio. Okay, let's test it. Time to get the results. So we have the results. Wow, wow, perfect, perfect. We have the results. That is great. Can see the speaker playing. Can see how the light papers on the speakers are dancing. As to say, we have good news. We have successfully adapted an external sound module to our inaudible TV. It's time to connect the TV speakers directly to our sound module. So we cut it off, separate the 2 channels, 2 speakers, and connect them to the left and right channels of our external amplifier respectively. Here's the connection. As I told you before, The external amplifier module has 2 output channels. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Summer Science Lab. Don't forget to share the video, and if this tutorial has profited you, please comment, share and subscribe for more. We are at your service, and if you have any TV repair problems, electronics repairs in general, do not forget to call us for advice. Don't forget to consult us. We are at your service, and anytime you need us, we are open 24/7. Even in the night, call us for your problems and we'll get your TVs repaired. We'll get your electronic devices repaired. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.